Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, I started a series in which I teach you about some easy skills and you can earn good money from these skills. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create presentation slides and sell this skill on Fiverr. But first we will have to go to Fiverr and let's see that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So I'm going to fiverr.com and here I write for presentation slides, and as you can see there is only 2900 gigs available and people got orders from there. And let's see, I will design PowerPoint presentation, Google Slides, template, pitch deck, etc. In basic he charges $20, 5 slides. In standard $40, 10 slides. In premium he charges $60, 15 slides. And this is very easy skill to learn, and I will teach you how you can create these type of presentations. This is very easy and handy. So this is the Fiverr part, and let's go and design the presentation skills. So I'm going to use Canva for this design, because if I use PowerPoint it will take a lot of time. So here I write for presentation and I want to create a presentation on business, like, so I write here for business, and there are a lot of like online business, online shopping. This is a very good topic. So I click on this and it provides me 10 slides, and I click on apply all 10 pages, and that's it. You just have to change the text and other things, and your slide design is ready. As you can see, this is a great slide. And the most important thing, you can also create video of this slide in Canva, and you can also, like, when you click on download, and it will give you option that you can convert it into PPT, means PowerPoint presentations. So you can create design in Canva and then go towards save in PPT, and your client will open in PowerPoint. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video and it is very useful to you. So uh, please share it with your friends and family, so they will also learn and earn through it. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.